Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I wanted to tell you guys what I've been up to during this isolation period with this whole virus going around. So I want to give you guys some suggestions and stuff that you can do to kill time and to also enjoy yourself and not be bored out of your mind while sitting at home. So the first thing I have here is organizing your laundry closet or linen closet. As you can see, mine is very organized. I actually have a label maker and I label where the towels go, the regular rags, the face towel, my curtains, and all of that. I love my label maker. You'll see that in this video.
Everybody's running out, racking up on stuff. I always have a closet full of extras in my house. I don't know why I do it, but now I realize it's a good practice because I have extras of every single thing. We're running out of antibacterial soap and tissue and stuff, but I'm about to re-up. I'm so glad that I'm always paranoid about keeping extras in my house because now when the store is low, I still have my extras.
The next thing you can do is organize your food pantry. Ours is okay. I would like to organize it a bit better, but anyways, you can organize your pantry.
Backyard. It's very boring. We're about to make it fun with dollar store stuff.
Can I record him? Go! Can I record him?
I get to. Oh, hell.
Oh! You gotta make four without popping
Can I record that?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Without popping them.
Can I record
It's
him?
easy. Oh!
4.
Four. Oh!
That's good.
No, you gotta get 4 in the thing.
But they can't stay in.
Yes, they do.
One more, Dad. There you go. Next course.
What's that?
Soccer.
Yeah,
And you hit all the balls.
I get a ball in each cup in the back.
Yep.
In each cup in the back?
Yep.
That's impossible.
So how did Kira do it in 3 minutes?
No, she didn't.
Yes,
I
she
did.
Made up.
No.
Dad, she said
That's
she
doing good.
did.
That's doing good for his time, though.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Until you get to this. Oh.
Dad, don't worry.
Oh.
Dad, it literally took me 5 minutes on that part.
It's never gonna happen.
It's okay. You only have 2:30.
Dad! Concentrate!
You gotta time it with the wind.
Time to win!
Time the wind or use the wind.
The next thing I did was to organize a concourse in the backyard so everybody could participate, and all I used was pool noodles and some dowel, and I stick them into the earth and I made some really fun stuff. Some things you have to climb through, something you have to do zigzag through, and all the stuff that I got from Dollar Tree. And I got also some balloons that I put water in and some water gun, and everybody had a wonderful time in the backyard. That's something you guys can do. Another thing you can do is work on your makeup skills, like sit at home and practice doing your makeup so you get better at doing it when you actually have somewhere to go. And I've been trying to get into IG a lot more and post more consistently, and I'm also trying to incorporate makeup stuff on my IG a lot more. So I am trying to get tutorials up, IG tutorial up, quick little 2 to 5 minute tutorials, and that's what I've been doing. I've tried to film those and get them up, Another thing you can do is work on your old wigs and weaves, or just simply practice doing your natural hair. And another thing you can do is practice new recipe. If you're not a really good cook, you can practice new recipes and stuff. Try to use up all the food that you have in your house in this quarantine and do fun stuff with the kids. Another thing you can do is take picture or practice posing in your house. I really have to take pictures because I want to stay consistent on my IG, so I'm probably going to have to take most of my pictures indoor in the house. So you can also do that if you're trying to just take bomb pictures to post on social media. You can practice doing so in your house. You can paint and all of that. Do music if you're into that. You can organize your clothes, your shoes. So those are some of the things that I've been doing during this self-isolation. What are you guys doing? Are you guys enjoying this quarantine? What do you guys think? Are you gonna pull your hair out because the kids are not in school and you have to taking care of them? I'm used to it, so it's like nothing to me now. What are your thoughts on this whole virus situation? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.